Hey guys, Coach Pillowfist here. So let's be real, this is probably the simplest punch to learn just because it's like our natural go-to punch as human beings. But maybe there's something about this punch that I can teach you guys that you didn't know about the rear hook. As a matter of fact, my goal as Coach Pillowfist is to give you guys something in each video that no other coach has given you. Alright, so getting straight to the point. Alright, you guys are gonna pivot this rear foot and turn your hips just like that. Alright, with the shoulders, should also turn as well. So when you guys throw that punch, keep this arm bent. Just like that. Alright, make sure to keep this lead hand up by your face. For defensive purposes, you guys want to protect your chin with your shoulder right here as you guys throw that hook. See how my shoulder is covering my chin? Just like that. Alright, don't load your hand back when you guys throw that rear hook. Alright, if you must load up, turn your shoulders instead. Just like that. Mix it in with your slips to disguise it. Alright, so I'm moving. Alright guys, so when you guys are on the outside, you guys don't want to just throw the rear hook just by itself as an initial punch. It's so easy to see that coming and it leaves you wide open for counters. So you want to make sure that you set it up with jabs first, or mix it in with your combinations, just like that. On the other hand, when I'm on the inside like this, then I can tighten up that rear hook. It doesn't leave me quite as open being right here like this versus being out here like that. And it's much harder to see it coming. So I like to look at the rear hook as a setup punch because when I throw it, look what I'm already in position for. I can throw the lead uppercut, I can throw the lead hook, I can throw the lead hook to the body. There's so many different opportunities that I can do for the punches that I actually want to land, even if I do miss the rear hook. Alright, so let's say we do miss that rear hook, right? And he rolls or ducks under it. What happens when somebody rolls or they duck is their elbows are going to naturally come forward away from their body, alright? Because we're bending down like that. So when I do miss that rear hook, be prepared to follow up with a liver shot because their body's going to be wide open, right? So again, I'm going to throw it just like that. Make sure you guys keep this other hand up because if he does come back with a counter, right, then you guys have this hand right here to keep you guys covered. So when you guys are on the bag, you can simulate what you guys are going to do when you miss a rear hook. Just like that, alright? So I'm going to intentionally fist, just like that. But regardless of whether I land that rear hook or not, alright, it's perfect setup for my lead hand punches, you know? Go. For the right hook to the body, you can throw it more like an uppercut, alright, or you can throw it more like a hook. As an orthodox fighter, it is significantly harder to hurt somebody with the right hook to the body because the liver is on the other side, right? So that's why I mostly like to look at the rear hook as a setup punch for that left hook to the body. So for those of you who like cutting angles, you can throw the rear hook simultaneously with your slip. Alright, then cut to the other side. Alright? Just like that. Just like that. So when you're on the inside right here, alright everybody, thank you guys for tuning into that video. So I hope that you guys learned something new from this video on the rear hook. Like I said, I want to give you guys stuff that other boxing coaches don't usually give you. So if that's what I'm doing right now, then please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.